Welcome to this beautiful collection of crochet baby frock ideas. If you love handmade fashion, soft textures, and tiny adorable outfits, then you are going to fall in love with these designs. There is something so special about crochet baby frocks. They are not just outfits, they are made with love, patience, and creativity. Every stitch tells a story. Every pattern brings out elegance, innocence, and charm. In this collection, you will see a variety of baby frock designs, from simple and classic styles to more detailed and fancy creations. Some of these frocks feature soft pastel colors like baby pink, cream, sky blue, lavender, and mint green, perfect for newborn photo shoots, baby showers, and special occasions. Pastel shades always give that gentle, angelic look that makes babies look even more precious. You will also notice frocks with layered skirts, giving a fluffy princess effect. These designs are perfect for birthdays or dedication ceremonies. The way the crochet stitches form soft ruffles and flowing patterns makes each piece look elegant and unique. Some of the frocks come with beautiful details like flower appliques, tiny bows, pearl embellishments, and decorative buttons. These small details add so much personality to each outfit. A simple flower on the waistline or shoulder can completely transform the look into something magical. There are also sleeveless designs, short sleeve styles, and even long sleeve crochet frocks that are perfect for cooler weather. The versatility of crochet makes it easy to design something suitable for every season. Another beautiful thing about crochet baby frocks is the variety of stitch patterns. From shell stitches to puff stitches, from open lace designs to tight textured patterns, each stitch gives a different feel and appearance. Some designs are lightweight and breathable, perfect for warm days. Others are thicker and cozier, ideal for keeping baby warm and comfortable. You will also see matching accessories in some designs, like crochet headbands, bonnets, or tiny booties that complete the look. A matching set always makes the outfit look even more adorable and well put together. One of the most beautiful aspects of crochet is customization. These frocks can be made in different color combinations to match any theme. Whether you prefer bright and bold colors or soft neutral tones, crochet allows endless creativity. Some designs are simple and minimal, perfect for everyday wear. Others are more detailed and luxurious, suitable for special events and memorable moments. Handmade crochet baby frocks are not just clothes. They can become keepsakes. Many parents keep their baby's first handmade outfit as a memory for years to come. That is the beauty of handcrafted fashion. It carries emotion and meaning. Thank you for watching, and may you continue creating beautiful handmade pieces filled with love and creativity.